everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and I'm so glad that you're here. I have my glasses on. Well, then we'll leave them because I'm going to be reading anyway. So today we're actually going to be doing something a little different, and I didn't say welcome, hello to the new people, to the old people. So I'm so glad you all came back. Thank you, and I'm very happy for the new people that are watching today. I'm all fumbly and tongue-twisted. I don't know, maybe it's the bad weather that we're having. It's just making me all fuddly-muddly. So, back to what I was going to say. I'm doing yet again a new monthly subscription, which is called Topbox. Here it is. So, why don't we get right to the video? Okay, so Topbox is a Canadian monthly subscription for $12 Canadian, and it comes with some full-size, some sample-size products, and beyond that, that's all I know. So why don't we open up this puppy? This is our gift to you, but I did pay for it, so it's not really a gift. But they are providing the service to me, so I guess that is a gift. We'll go with gift. Okay, so I'm opening it up. And there's what it looks like on the inside, and the card just fell out. Got a whole bunch of these little crinkly things. Dingers, I don't know what they are, but they're cute. So, it says Topbox. Why did I receive this card? This card contains all of the exclusive offers available for all Topbox members. We hope you take advantage of these sweet deals. Speaking of that, I do have a link down below. It's not a whatever make me money thing. It's just a link. So if you want to subscribe to Topbox, which is only available to Canadians, unfortunately. But if you do want to, there's a link there, or you can go off onto the internet and do it yourself, but we're all going to find out today if it'll be worth your money. So why don't we put that aside, and I can see this little thing here. What's this? Okay, there we go. Fruit and Passion. There we go. ALO Whipped Body Cream, Grapefruit Guava. Take a small amount and massage onto the skin in circular motions until completely absorbed. 200 mils, $13.50. Available at fruitpassions.com or in Fruits and Passions Nature Collection of the Face Shop stores. Well, there you go. Let's see. This one's 50 mil. Oh, so this is a sample size. This is not $13.50. The regular size is $13.50. Let's open it up. Okay, it does smell lovely. Let's put some of that on. Oh, it's very, very, very grapefruity, but I like it. It smells fresh and, I don't know, just summery. I like it. I actually like the scent of grapefruit, so I'm happy with this. And this is actually a pretty decent size. Like, I probably didn't show you guys, but it's pretty full in there. So it's pretty good. Very good, actually. So, thumbs up for number one. Let's look and see what else we got. Okay. I'm looking on I've got my phone. I'm looking because it doesn't give you a card or anything. When I ordered it, it said that it gives you all the information online. So I had to go online, believe it or not, to look up this stuff. So this is Steve Laurent Velvet Matte Lipstick. Okay, let's open this up and see what color we got. Hopefully they don't think I'm a teenager like Ipsy did. Give you all little girl stuff. Okay. It's a very, very pretty bottle, by the way. Not a nice color. Not my color. It's a nice color, just not for me. This matte, weightless, long-wear liquid lipstick offers full coverage color with a velvet-like finish that glides on smoothly and lasts all day. Our super intense pigment will dry 100% matte, creating that perfect transfer-proof look. 3.2 grams is $22, available at stevelaurent.com. And this is full size. So this is $22. Let's open it up and look. Let's do a swatchy. Feels nice. The color is a little summery, I guess. I prefer kind of like the reddish, mauvey kind of colors, but I think Madison will like this actually, so I'm definitely going to keep it. Put that off to the side. It's pretty nice, right? And it did feel nice, and the quality is just kind of moussey actually. I would say that would be how I would describe the texture. So we liked the lipstick. Let's go on to the next item, which is, gotta dig around in these little spongy things. Oh, okay. I will tell you guys that there is one scent that repulses me, and I don't know why. The taste of it, the scent of it, and it's watermelon. This is the Perlies. Now, they didn't know that, so obviously it's not their fault that they sent this to me. This is Watermelon Aqua Bomb, a lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C and keeps skin energized and hydrated. Aloe vera helps reduce inflammation, white tea protects skin from cellular damage, and cucumber helps soothe and firm skin. 50 mils is $45 from purelease.com. Wow. That's some expensive stuff. Now, I am not putting this on because I will, like watermelon gum, watermelon candy is, no. Nope. Don't like it. So, going into the giveaway, but I have a feeling, because it sounds lovely. It really, really does. It's a personal thing. So, not for me. Okay. Ooh, look at all these thingies. Ding, 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 ding. I like them. One thing left. This stuff is... there it is. This is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Facial Cleansing Oil. That's cool. I don't tend to use cleansing oil, but it doesn't mean it's not cool. Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil is a blend of fine, active ingredients and essential oils that deeply cleanse and purify the skin. It can be used as a makeup remover that removes makeup and leaves the skin incredibly soft and hydrated. Can be used daily. 200 mils is $35. Available at skinandcoroma.com. So this is 30 mils, if you can imagine. It's a much bigger bottle for $30. So this is the last item for $10. Now, I will admit, I think this is actually a very good deal, because in Canada, Ipsy and all of those, we have to pay a higher price. We have to pay, your American dollars are worth a lot less. So like 10 American, that's like 14 Canadian or 13 Canadian. It's a lot more money. So this one's in Canadian, so $12. This one's definitely, I like the stuff I got in this much better than what I got in my Ipsy. I was actually very, very disappointed in what I got in my Ipsy. It was almost like it was geared towards a teenage girl or something. But this one, this Topbox, was lovely. I liked it a lot. So I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up so far. We'll find out next month if we continue to like it or if we decide to cancel it. We'll just go month to month and sort of go with the flow. Go with the flow. So I'm going to say, don't forget to subscribe, like, notifications bell, comment, come back. We love having you all. And like I said, there's a link down below, and we have links to our Discord for the gaming for the younger kids. We have Instagram, which I finally got going, and I finally put some pictures, more like personal pictures, not photoshopped, not, fancy. They're just regular family photos. So if you'd like to check those out, there's a link to Instagram down below. And I think that's all for today. So why don't you have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again. Bye.